Dubai chef job? Know these 40 cooking verbs. Sift. To pass flour through a mesh to remove lumps, sift. Knead. To press and fold dough with hands, knead. Julienne. To cut vegetables into thin matchstick. Baste. To pour juice over meat while cooking, baste. Marinate. To soak meat in sauce for flavor, marinate. Blanch. To boil vegetables briefly then cool in ice, blanch. Caramelize. To heat sugar until brown and sweet, caramelize. Poach. To cook eggs or fish gently in water, poach. Braise. To cook meat slowly in liquid after frying, braise. Broil. To cook food with heat from above, broil. Zest. To scrape out or peel from lemon or orange, zest. Fold. To gently mix batter without losing air, fold. Purée. To blend food into smooth thick liquid, purée. Reduce. To boil sauce until thick, reduce. Sear. To brown meat surface on high heat, sear. Shuck. To remove shell from oysters or corn, shuck. Skim. To remove fat or foam from soup's surface, skim. Truss. To tie chicken legs before roasting, truss. Zoodle. To cut zucchini into noodle shapes, zoodle. Fillet. To remove bones from fish or meat, fillet. Glaze. To coat food with shiny sugar layer, glaze. Infuse. To soak herbs in liquid for flavor, infuse. Render. To melt fat from meat slowly, render. Brine. To soak meat in salt water for juiciness, brine. Chiffonade. To slice leafy herbs into thin ribbons, chiffonade. Clarify. To make butter pure by removing milk solids, clarify. Cure. To preserve meat with salt or smoke, cure. Emulsify. To mix oil and water into stable sauce, emulsify. Parboil. To partly cook food by boiling, parboil. Sweat. To cook vegetables slowly until soft without color, sweat. Subscribe for more vocabulary. See you in the next video.